Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using Kylie Cosmetics' new The Mauve palette. This is a really pretty palette that she just released. It's kind of like a mauve pink undertone kind of palette. She also has the bronze palette, but I wanted to go in with something more on the pink side today, so I'm going to be using this one. For this look, I'm actually going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, so I'm going to apply this really quick and then I'll be right back. Now that I have this base on, I'm going to go into the eyeshadow palette, so I'm going to take this color called Mauve Me. I'm going to take Mauve Me on a Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to focus on placing this color right in my crease. And then I'm going to go along the edges and try to just blend this out a little bit more. So next, to blend out this color a little bit more, I'm going to be using a whole different palette for this part. I'm going to be using Dominique's Coral Blossom palette, and I'm going to use this color called Self-Worth. I'm going to use this color because I really want to add pop of color into this like mauve pink look, and I feel like this would be the perfect pop of color, like peachy moment, but it still kind of goes with the mauve look. So I'm going to take that color. I'm going to take that color Self-Worth on a Morphe M513 brush, and I'm just going to go along the edges of Mauve Me just to blend this out more. And then to blend out this coral color, I'm going to take this color called Blushing from the Kylie palette. And I'm going to take that color Blushing on a Morphe R37 brush. And same thing, I'm just going to go like along the edges to blend it out more. Now I'm going to go back in with Mauve Me. As you can see, I got a little lost with the coral colors. So I'm going to go back with that color, and this time I'm going to use the Morphe M514 brush to apply it, and I'm just going to blend this out so that it looks a little bit more seamless. Next, I'm going to take this color called Burgundy Baby, and I'm going to take that color on a Morphe M514 brush, and I'm going to deepen up this look a little bit more. So I'm going to add this color to my crease. And I'm going to add it to the front of my lid here because we're going to do like a shimmer in the center. So I do want it to be like darker on the sides. Next, I'm going to grab my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer base, and I'm going to be applying that to the center of my lid so that I have something to stick my shimmer to and to also help create that like halo blended eye look. So I'm going to take that on a It Cosmetics airbrush shadow brush, and I'm just going to tap this right onto the center. And I'm going to try to blend out the edges as well. And I'm pretty much going to apply this all the way up. And next I'm going to take this color called You're Welcome. I'm going to take You're Welcome on a Sigma E28 detail buffer brush. And I'm going to place this color right on top of that base. Next, I'm going to be using More Cosmetics. This is their Diamond Days Liquid Shadow in the color Air Glow. And I'm actually going to use this to apply a loose glitter by MAC called Reflex Pink. So starting with that liquid shimmer, I'm going to put this right on top, like in the very center. And then I'm going to get that Reflex Pink glitter and put it right on top. Next, I'm going to apply some liquid liner. So I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Liner in black. And I'm just going to do a traditional line, not a full wing. And next, I'm going to take this color called Burgundy Baby. I'm going to take that color on a Morphe M506 brush. And I'm going to take this color just to blend it into the liner, just so that the liner doesn't have an abrupt, awkward stop. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to do the rest of my face off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, I finished the rest of my face and now we're going to move on to the rest of the eye look on the bottom here. So I'm going to go in with that first color from the Mauve palette, which is the Mauve Me color. And to apply that color, I'm going to be using the Sigma E57 Firm Shader brush. And I'm just going to apply this right underneath here all the way through. Next, I'm going to go back in with the Dominique Cosmetics Coral Blossom palette, and I'm going to take this color called Self-Worth again. Using the same brush, I'm going to blend this right underneath the first color, Mauve Me, from the Kylie palette. And blend it right underneath here. And then I'm going to go back in with Mauve Me, just because it got a little lost with that coral color. And then I'm going to take the color Burgundy Baby. Using the same brush, I'm going to deepen my eye underneath here with this color. Next, I'm going to take ColourPop's Cream Gel Liner in the color Good Reef, and I'm going to put this in my waterline. Last but not least, I'm going to take this color called Blushing. Taking Blushing on a Morphe M507 brush, I'm going to put this color in my inner corner. And now I'm going to put on some lashes and mascara and I'll be right back to show you the finished look. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I have lashes by, I think it's called Radiante or Radiant Beauty, and this is the style called Tade. Not sure how to pronounce that, T-A-I-D-E, but it's by this brand. I believe they are a smaller brand, but their lashes are really pretty, and I have them on today, so yeah. And so let's get into this palette and how I feel about this palette. So honestly guys, everything blended really good. I don't have any complaints about Miss Kylie Jenner's palette. Everything blended out seamlessly. This one here in particular is the bronze one. Is it? Yeah, the bronze palette. I'll show you guys quickly what this one looks like. I actually really wanted to use this one, but I was trying to do a different look and I've done a neutral look recently, so I wanted to do something different since this one is more of a neutral palette. But as you can see, it's more of that bronzy, perfect like everyday palette basically if you want something a little bit more on the warmer side. But yeah, very pretty. I love how she has like some deeper tones here. I always love when palettes, because some palettes, you know, they kind of stop here, but I like when they have like some deeper tones. But yeah, overall I liked the palette guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!